Now we are at Tamsui train station, MRT station. So from here we will go. You can see, guys, there is some art sketching, and this side you can see, maybe you can see the very beautiful, like maybe a lake or maybe the part of ocean. And we are going first to eat there, and maybe there's some Indonesian. Someone tell me that is an Indonesian store here, so I can get easily halal food here. So I will try to find that Indonesian hotel. If I found that, maybe I get some halal food here. So then I will show you around this area. Let's go. Guys, here you can buy food also. I just finished my food from Indonesian restaurant here, and you can play games, and you can make your portrait here also. Okay, I will show you the viewpoint from there, guys. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful here. The wind is so now you can check here, guys. Many people fishing here, and the view is very beautiful as well. The fishing. Great and beautiful views, guys. With the big chain, and here is how you can make a hand. Maybe you see this one on the TikTok or any video that makes hands and these things, so I want to show you. And guys, from here is one of very great viewpoint of Tamsui. I don't know what it is. You can see it's very beautiful. It's a little bit raining, so it's very cool area here.
竟然有我操！我刚来，如果办13万，啊，一个电话台要500块，
So guys, you see it's very beautiful area, and if you want to go to another side, there is a ship and you can go there, but it's very a lot of people that crowded, so I not want to go there. So I just see, and you can see just enjoying. There is one fish you can see here. I think it's kind of injured. One side is injured, so hope you guys enjoy this video also. Let's go. Guys, Tamsui is a very beautiful for walking, because almost I walking 2 hours now, but it's still not finished. Every step forwarding you, it looks more beautiful. So it's very amazing. You people are going to see that, and every step there's some people doing some function, some singing like that. So mostly people are fishing here, and everyone has a rod and fishing rod here. Very beautiful, you can see, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's Tamsui area. It's Tamsui Red Line MRT last station. It's a very good place due to New Year, so many people here, and there's a camera there. I think there's a firework here, but I need to go back to Taipei 101 because I come to see the firework. So see you guys. Maybe I meet there some friends. So let's see